In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make extra payments on your car loan with Bank of America. Paying a little more than your monthly amount can make a significant difference in reducing your loan balance and saving on interest over time. Let's dive right into the details so you can take control of that loan. To get started, you'll want to sign in to your Bank of America online banking account. I recommend using a desktop because it makes navigation easier and ensures you have all the necessary options clearly in view. Once logged in, head over to your account section. You'll see different categories. You need to navigate to your loan section where you'll find your auto loan listed. Click on the auto loan to open your loan summary page. The summary gives you an overview of your current balance, interest rate, and other pertinent details. Now you should see a pay now button or something similar, such as a pay or make payment option. Click that button to proceed with making your payment. Next, you will be prompted to choose the checking account from which you want to make the payment. Carefully select the correct account to ensure that the funds are debited accurately. The next step is to enter the extra payment amount you want to apply towards your loan. It's crucial here to check if the platform asks whether it's a principal payment or if it gives you an option, as some users have reported seeing a principal payment option in the transfer section. If you do see this option, select it. Making a payment specifically towards the principal can help you reduce the overall interest you end up paying. In the event that there's no distinct option for principal payment at this stage, don't worry, you can still proceed with your payment, but it's a good idea to follow up later to ensure that your payment has been applied to the principal of your loan. Once you've carefully reviewed your information and ensured everything is accurate, click Review and Submit to finalize your payment. After submitting your payment, it's essential to save the confirmation page or email you might receive. This confirmation serves as proof of your payment and is useful for your personal records. Ensuring that your extra payment is applied correctly can sometimes require a little follow-up. It's always worth contacting Bank of America directly if you find it necessary to confirm how the payment was applied. Their assistance can provide additional peace of mind. With these steps, managing and reducing your car loan is much more within reach. By making these extra payments, you're taking proactive steps to lower your loan balance and reduce the overall interest you'll need to pay. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.